Hi guys, it's Amma back with another video, and today we are going to review the Slick Gorilla Cream Styler. So for anyone who hasn't seen my previous video, I teamed up with Slick Gorilla and I tested out a bunch of products for you guys. I reviewed them, I tested them. So if you've not seen that, guys, please do click on that link in my description. So the reason that I'm reviewing the Cream Styler is because it really did impress me when I first tried it, and it has been my go-to product in the last couple of weeks, whether it's been for work purposes, whether it's just a casual outing. This product has been fantastic. So what I love about this product is that it's designed for a lightweight, flexible hold. It really gives off a natural finish, and it does so without leaving your hair too stiff or greasy. It's also a water-based product, which means that it's very easy to wash out. So in terms of application, a little bit does go a long way. You can use a small amount and distribute it into your hair and create the style that you want. So what really impresses me about this product, guys, is the fact that I don't have to use a hairdryer to style my hair for the achieved look. It's literally a case of apply the product into your hair, take a brush, and experiment it until you are happy with the outcome. Now you might think, why is this important? It's important because it saves you time. So not only does this product target you hairdryer lovers, but it also targets those who don't want to spend up to 10-15 minutes blow drying their hair. People that want a quick fix and are on the move, this product is fantastic for you. Now, in addition to time, you are also saving money, and you'll think, how is it that I'm saving money? So instead of purchasing different products to achieve different hairstyles, you can purchase this one product and you can rock a range of looks. So just to sum up, guys, it's lightweight and easy to apply. It provides a natural finish. It's easy to wash out and it's versatile, and you can rock a range of looks with this one product. So a negative aspect of the product might be the fact that it doesn't provide a super strong hold, and my answer to that is literally it's not meant to. It's supposed to be lightweight, it's supposed to be versatile and give you a natural finish. This isn't the product for you if you do want a super strong hold. Slick Gorilla do have other products for that. For example, the pomade, that might be a shout if you are wanting a super strong hold. So the cream styler is on the website for around £12.95. Now I do believe that is a reasonable price because number one, a little bit does go a long way, so it will last you longer. Number two, it gives you the ability of versatility. It allows you to experiment and come up with a range of different hairstyles instead of spending so much money on different products to achieve different looks. Now, in terms of saving money, if you do go on the Slick Gorilla website, there is currently a Valentine's promotion going on. You can actually get the full box for just £40. That's 34% off, guys. Now, the discount offers do expire on Valentine's Day. So what you're waiting for, guys, get onto the website, get your products, and achieve your ability of versatility. There we have it, guys. That is a quick review on the Slick Gorilla Cream Styler. I absolutely love this product. Saves me time, saves me money. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please do leave a comment in the comment section below. It is always nice to speak to you guys. I am currently at 915 subscribers, so I'm almost at the 1000 mark, guys. So please just help me, give me a little push on that so we can hit that 1000 subscribers. And until next time, take care.